what we are going to do is, we are going to discuss algebra exam model questions. Algebra exam model questions solved in Anil Nayar's way. Now what we will do is, what are the things that we are going to discuss? First we are going to solve how to solve higher order equations. How to solve higher order equations when variable is given a value. When variable is given a value, how to solve higher order equations without substitution. This is the method. Without substitution, how to solve higher order equations when a variable is associated with a value, and that too without substitution. Next concept which we are going to use, how to use digital sum in algebra problems. How to use digital sum in algebra problems. How to use digital sum in algebra problems. Third concept is when to use which method. When to use which method. When to use which method. Any interested students, if you want the class PDF, if you want the class PDF with questions, you can WhatsApp this number 8050067891. Right, I will be very happy to give the questions PDF to you. Answers you have to attend the class. Right, now one by one we will discuss these three important key points. Let us first get into concept number one. Listen carefully, sir. You will solve some of the toughest questions in less than 20 seconds if you listen to the class with utmost attention. Concept number one. Please write down. Concept number one. First write down. How to find digital sum for powers. How to find digital sum for powers, which I am going to use it in my problems. How to use digital sum for powers. This is the first concept. Now see here, what do you mean by digital sum? Digital sum is nothing but sum of the digits until a single digit is obtained. Digital sum is nothing but sum of the digits until a single digit is obtained. Add the digits till you get a single digit, that is nothing but digital sum. Right? Digital sum until a single digit is obtained. So what are the various possible digital sum? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Even though single digit is 0, it is meaningless. Adding the digits and getting a single digit, adding the digits and getting a single digit 0, it is meaningless. Right? So these are all the possible digital sums that are possible. These are all the possible digital sums. These are all the possible digital sums. Now, if I call all these values as x, 1 cube divided by 9 is 1. Either you go for plus 1 or minus 1. Similarly, 2 cube divided by 9, which is 8 by 9 minus 1. 2 power 6 divided by 9, which is nothing but plus 1. Right? Now, if you observe here, 3 square, 3 power 2 is 9. 3 cube is 27. 2 plus 7, 9. Right? 6 square is 36. 36 digital sum is 9. 6 cube onwards, it is digital sum 9. 9 power, any natural number, it is 9. So 3, 6 and 9. Digital sum will be 9. Digital sum will be 9. For greater than or equivalent to 2 power. For greater than or equivalent to 2 power. 3. 3 square is 9, 6 square is 36, 6 cube is 216, 9 square is 81, 9 cube is 729. So for 3, 6 and 9, digital sum will be 9 for greater than or equivalent to 2. 4 cube is 64, 64 divided by 9, which is nothing but 1. These over. Similarly, 7 cube is 343. 343 divided by 9. 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, which is nothing but 1. 4 cube divided by 9 is 1. 7 cube divided by 9 is 1. 5 cube is 125. 125 digital sum is 8. 8 divided by 9, which is nothing but minus 1. Which is nothing but minus 1. Listen carefully, sir. If you miss out this one, if you miss this one, right? If you miss this one, then the problems will be little tough for you. Just 1 minute. I'll create an empty slide for you. One minute, sir. Right. Now see here. Now see here. What is that we discussed? We discussed digital sum for 3, 6 and 9. Power greater than or equivalent to 2. Right? When divided by 9. Either 9 divided by 9 0 or you call it as 9. Next one, 4 cube divided by 9. 4 cube divided by 9 is nothing but 1. Next one, 5 cube divided by 9. 125 divided by 9, which is nothing but minus 1. 7 cube. 7 cube divided by 9. 343. 3 plus 4 plus 3, which is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear. 2 cube divided by 9. 8 divided by 9, which is nothing but minus 1. Which is nothing but 1. 1 power any number when divided by 9 is 1. 1 over, 2 over, 3 over, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. 8 divided by 9, which is nothing but minus 1. 8 divided by 9, which is nothing but minus 1. This is extremely important for us to solve some of the toughest algebra questions very, very fast. Now problems. Problems. Find the digital sum for. Find the digital sum for. Find the digital sum for. First question. 4 power 360. 4 power 360. 4 power 360. Which power of 4 when divided by 9 I will getting plus 1 or minus 1. So it is 4 cube. 4 cube power 120. 4 cube is nothing but 64. 64 power 120. 64 digital sum is 6 plus 4 10. 1 power any number. Answer is nothing but 1. These why? Because I used 4 cube by 9 is 1. That helps me to solve this problem very, very fast. Suppose if it is 5 power 121 is there. I know that 5 cube by 9 is minus 1. So it is nothing but 5 cube power 40 into 5 power 1. 5 cube is 125. 125 sum is 8. 8 by 9 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 5. Positive remainder is nothing but 9 minus 5 4. 9 minus 5 4. Suppose if the question is 7 power 330. 2 is there. 7 power 332 is there. This can be written as 7 cube power 110 into 7 square. 343 it is 1. 7 square is 49. 4 plus 9 13. 1 plus 3 4. 1 plus 3 4. I hope you are all there with me. Suppose if it is 1534 power 122 is there. 1534 power 122. I need to find the digital sum of these number. 153. Digital sum is, it is nothing but 9. It is removed. 4 power 122 is 4 power 3 power 40 into 4 square. This is nothing but 1. 16 digital sum is nothing but 16 digital sum is nothing but 7. E. Another one. 78 power 2123. 78 power 2123. Now see here. 78. 7 plus 8 15. 1 plus 5 6. 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. This is nothing but power. Answer digital sum is nothing but 9. Answer digital sum it is nothing but 9. 12 power 168. 12 power 168. 12 digital sum is 3. 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Answer digital sum is nothing but 9. Answer digital sum it is nothing but 9. Next one, 7121 power 123. 7121 power 123. 7 plus 2 9 out. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 power 3 power 41. 2 cube is 8. 8 by 9 minus 1. Minus 1 power odd minus 1. Positive remainder is nothing but 8. Positive remainder it is nothing but 8. I hope you have understood how to find out the digital sum for the powers. How to find out the digital sum for the powers. Why are we discussing digital sum in an algebra class? By knowing the digital sum concept, some of the toughest questions in algebra can be solved very easily. I hope the idea it is clear. Now with this understanding, let us solve some good problems. Now see the first question. First question, method number 1. I will solve this problem in multiple methods. You take any method that it is possible. Method number 1 is the traditional method. Method number 2 is Anil Nayar's way of solving without answer options. Method number 3 is Anil Nayar's way of solving with answer options. Method number 1. These nothing but x power 4 minus 17x cube plus 17x square minus 17x plus 17. If x equivalent to 16, find the value. X equivalent to 16, that means x plus 1 is nothing but 17. X plus 1 it is nothing but 17. Wherever 17 is there, substitute x plus 1 into x cube. Wherever 17 is there, substitute x plus 1 into x square. Wherever 17 is there, substitute x plus 1 into x plus 17. These are nothing but x power 4 minus x power 4 minus x cube plus x cube plus x square minus x square minus x plus 17 minus x plus 17 plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus cancelled. So what is remaining? 17 minus x it is remaining. 17 minus x. 17 minus 16. Answer for this question is 1. Answer for this question is 1. I hope the idea it is clear. It is nothing but wherever 17 is there, substitute x plus 1. This is method number 1. Method number 2. Method number 2. Method number 2. Listen carefully, sir. This equation is x power 4 minus 17x cube plus 17x square minus 17x plus 17. What is the final value that we got? 17 minus x. 17 minus x. I got 17 minus x. 17 is as it is. Minus 17x became 17. So in these kind of problems, take the last two terms. I will tell you why we are taking the last two terms. If we take the last two terms, minus 17x plus 17, this method 2 is derived from method number 1. Method 2 is derived from method number 1. Through observation, this concept is derived. Minus 17x plus 17. We got 17 minus x. This x equivalent to 16. To get minus x, what I need to add? Plus 16. These are nothing but 17 minus x. That means in these kind of questions, only focus on the last two terms. Last two terms are 17 minus 17x. If this is minus, add the value which is equated with x. It is nothing but plus 16x. 17 minus x we got. Why are we adding plus 16x? Because in method number 1 I got 17 minus x. Minus 17x has to become minus x. So plus 16x needs to be added. From where we got these 16x? 16 is the value that is given. You only focus on the last two terms. Go to the second term. If it is a negative, add the value. If it is a positive, subtract the value, which is 17 minus x. This is one way to solve. I hope it is clear, right? This is a traditional method where 17 is equated with x plus 1. I got the answer 17 minus x. Method 2 is derived from method 1. I need to get 17 minus x. So from 2 minus 17x, what needs to be added? Which is plus 16x. Now see here. This is method number 2. Now let us see method number 3. Method number 3. Method number 3 is nothing but using digital sum. Method number 3 is nothing but using digital sum. How to use digital sum? This actual value is nothing but 16 power 4 minus 17 into 16 power 3. These are nothing but 17 into 16 square minus 17 into 16 plus 17. This is the actual value when a variable is replaced with value 16 power 1. Now if you see here, 16 is nothing but 7. 7 power 4. 17 is 8. These is nothing but 7 cube. 17 is 8. 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 square is 49. 17 it is 8. 16 digital sum is 7. And 17 digital sum is 8. 7 power 4 is 343 into 7. 7 cube into 7. These 1. These nothing but 7. 7 cube digital sum is 1. 8 into 49 digital sum is 4. Minus 8 into 7 plus 8. Now see here. These nothing but 7 minus 8. 8 4s are 32, which is 5. 8 7s are 56. 5 plus 6 11. 1 plus 1 2. And it is plus 8. 8 minus 8 it is cancelled. 7 plus 5 12. 12 minus 2 10. 10 digital sum is nothing but 1. 10 digital sum is nothing but 1. Which answer option has got digital sum 1? I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. Method number 3, I hope it is clear. 16 power 4. The coefficients can be any values, right? The wantedly I created such values. Once we start solving problems, it will be extremely easy. 16 is 7 power 4. 16 is 7 cube. 16 is 7 square. 8 into 7 plus 8. 7 minus 8 plus 8 into 4 minus 8 into 7 plus 8. Answer is nothing but 1. When answer options are there, keep an eye on the answer options. The more and more problems we solve, we will know which method to be used when. Actually, just by looking at a question itself, you can say that the answer is 1 by and another method that also we will discuss. Method number 3, using digital sum. I hope it is clear. Method number 2, only focusing on the last two terms. Method number 1, replacing 17 with 16 plus 1. There is also another method, method number 4. Right? You don't need to worry about the concepts. Method number 4. Method number 4 is nothing but it uses the concept of complete equation. It uses the concept of complete equation. What is this concept of complete equation? Now, if you see here, the degree of these expression, it can be either even or odd. The degree of the expression, it is either even or odd. In this case, it is an even number. Next one, right? Degree is decreasing by 1 unit. Degree is decreasing by 1 unit. X power 4 is becoming x cube, x square, x, and it is x power 0. I hope it is clear. There is a plus and minus sign change that is happening. Now see here. In this case, if the degree is even, directly the answer is 1. If the degree is odd, and directly the answer is minus 1. Under one condition, if the value given is k and the coefficient values are k plus 1 and the coefficient values are k plus 1, 16 and k plus 1. This is taken from an higher algebra Hall and Knight book, little complex to understand, so we'll go with method 1, 2 and 3. If it is 16, coefficients are k plus 1, directly the answer is 1. You please forget these method number 4 for some point of time. These little complex to understand. Go by method 2 or probably by using method number 3. Right? Now see here. Listen carefully. Listen carefully. X equivalent to 11. 11 x power 5 minus 12x power 4 plus 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x plus 1. Method number 1. Wherever 12 is there, substitute x plus 1. That is the idea. Method number 2, which is a condensed version of method number 1. Take the last two terms. Last two terms are 12x minus 1. If it is plus, put minus. What is the value of x that is associated? Minus 11x. So these is nothing but x minus 1. X minus 1 is nothing but 11 minus 1. Answer is nothing but 10. Answer is nothing but 10. I hope method number 2 it is clear. Method number 2 it is clear. Method number 3. Method number 3. It is 11. 11 is 2. By using a digital sum concept. By using a digital sum concept. Now see here. These 11 is nothing but 2. 2 power 5 is 32. 3 plus 2, 5. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 into any number 3. 3 into any number 3. 3 into any number 3. Right? These is nothing but 5 minus 1 plus 3k. 5 minus 1 plus 3k. These is nothing but 5 minus 1 is 4, which is 3k plus 4, which is 4 divided by 3, remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give remainder 1. Answer is nothing but 10. I hope the idea it is clear. Unnecessarily you don't need to do digital sum. It's a time waster for you. 11 is 2, 2 power 5 is 32. 3 plus 2 is 5. 1 plus 2 it is 3. Again 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 power 4 is 16. 7. Plus 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 cube is 8. 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 square is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 1 plus 1 is nothing but 2 minus 1. This entire value is nothing but divisible by 3. Are you all with me? This entire value it is nothing but divisible by 3. Divisible by 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. 4 when divided by 3, remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. This is method number 3. Close to 25 problems if we solve, then you will get an idea how to do it very fast. Some other way of looking at the question. Method number 4. Depending upon your practice, you take any method. Divisible by 12, divisible by 12, divisible by 12. Finally, it is nothing but x power 5 minus 1. These nothing but 11 power 5 minus 1 divided by 12. If I divide by 12, what is the remainder? Let us see. 11, 12 ones are 12, minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1. So it is nothing but minus 2. That means positive remainder should be 10. Therefore, the answer is also nothing but 10. I hope the idea it is clear. Sometimes just by looking at a question itself, you will get the idea. Divisible by 12, divisible by 12, divisible by 12. X when divided by 11. 12 when divided by 11, minus 1. Minus 1 power odd is minus 1. Minus 1 minus 1 is minus 2. Positive remainder is nothing but 10. These when divided by 12, positive remainder 10. Not possible. Not possible. A, B and D it is not possible. Method number 5. I already told you, if the degree of that higher order equation is odd and the coefficients are in x plus 1, k plus 1 format, these 12x cube minus 12x square plus 12x, which is minus 12, which is minus 12. If you see here, these nothing but, right, x power 5 minus 12x plus 4, these nothing but minus 12. This is nothing but plus 11. This is the question. This entire value, if the degree of the equation is 5 and the degree is decreasing by 1, coefficients are k plus 1. This is nothing but minus 1. This entire value, it is nothing but minus 1. 11 minus 1, the answer is nothing but 10. I hope it is clear. Method 1, method 2, method 3, method 4 and method number 5. You can use any concept that comes into your mind. Depending upon the merit of the question, we will use a particular logic. Generally, method 2 will give you the answer very fast. Sometimes digital sum also will give you the answer very fast. I hope the idea it is clear. Now see here. X is 106. Now, method number 1, wherever 107 is there, take it as 106 plus 1. This is nothing but x plus 1. That is method number 1, which is very time consuming method. Method number 2, only focus on the last two terms. This is nothing but 107x plus 25. This is plus 107x. So this should be minus 106x. Right? So this is nothing but x plus 25. X is 106. 106 plus 25. Answer is nothing but 131. Answer is nothing but 131. Sir, how you got these minus 176 directly? Better see here. Let me take the last three terms, then you will understand it clearly. Minus 107x square plus 107x plus 25. 107 is nothing but x plus 1. 107 is nothing but x plus 1 plus 25. These are nothing but minus x cube. It will be nullified with plus x cube. These are nothing but minus x square. It is plus x square. Finally, it is nothing but x plus 25. To get x, how much needs to be subtracted from 107x? Minus 106x needs to be subtracted. I hope the proof is also clear. In my absence, if you tell my logics with your friends or you are someone who is preparing with exam, you should tell it with confidence. This is why Anil sir did minus 107x. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, write these method 1, method 2. Even you can also use this concept, method number 3. See here beta, these is divisible by 107, divisible by 107, divisible by 107, divisible by 107. Remaining is x power 5 plus 25. X power 5 plus 25. Let me divide it with 107. I will get the remainder form. These nothing but 106 power 5 plus 25 when divided by 107. 107s are 107. It is minus 1. 25 minus 1, which is nothing but these 106 plus 1, 107. I hope it is clear, right? These 106. I am dividing by 107. So these nothing but minus 1. So these nothing but 24. Answer when divided by 107 should get remainder 24. First not possible. 132 divided by 107, 25. Second not possible. Anyway, fourth also it is not possible. Answer is 131. This method also you can use. Anil sir, can I use a digital sum? Can I use a digital sum? You can also use a digital sum. Now see here, 106. 106 is nothing but 7 power 5. 107 is 8. 8 into nothing but 7 power 4. 8 into nothing but 7 power 4. 107 into these nothing but 7 cube. These nothing but 8 into 7 square. These nothing but 8 into 7 plus 25. These 25. These nothing but 7 cube into 7 square. 7 cube digital sum is 1. 7 square 49, which is nothing but 4. These nothing but 8 into 7. These nothing but 8 into 1. Minus 8 into 49, it is 4. 8 into 7 plus 25. plus 25. I hope the idea it is clear. Use a digital sum. Avoid using digital sum in this question because it is time consuming in this question. By using method number 3, you can easily get the answer because all are divisible by 107 intermediate terms. I divided first and last term by this value. I hope it is clear. Method number 3, method number 4. In case if you want to use higher order, now see here, these degree it is odd. Degree it is odd. If the degree it is odd, till here, if it is minus 107, minus 107, if it is minus 107, minus 107, minus 107, it is nothing but minus 1. If it goes to the right hand side, it is 107. 25 minus 1, which is 24. 24 to the right hand side is 131. I hope it is clear. If the question is like this, x power 4 minus 107 x power 4 plus 107 x cube minus 107 x square plus 107x minus 107. These entire answer is nothing but minus 1. But till here only it is given. Till here only it is given. And plus 25 it is given. So this right hand side minus 107 goes, it will become 107. 25 minus 1, 24. If it goes to the right hand side, 107 plus 24 is 131. Method number 5. You use any method that comes into your mind. Ensure that you get the answer very, very fast depending upon any logic. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. X is 12, right? 13 x cube and everything. Now see here. Now digital sum is the best logic to solve this question. 12 is 3. 3 power 4, it is 9. 12 cube, 12 is 3. 3 cube, 27, 9. These also 9 digital sum. 12 square, it is nothing but digital sum 9. 12 it is 3. 3 into 3, digital sum is 9. So answer digital sum should be 0. Answer digital sum should be 0. Only one option is 0. I hope it is clear. Why it is 9? Because it is 12 power 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 power 4. 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum is 9. These are nothing but 1 plus 3 is 4. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 cube is 27, which is 9. I hope it is clear. These are nothing but 12 square. 12 square is again 9 minus 3 into 3. Answer digital sum is 9. When you divide a number by 9, remainder will be 0. Option is D, 0. Right? I can also use method number 2. Method number 2. This equation I can write it as x power 4 minus 13x cube plus 13x square minus 12x plus 0. Last two terms I need to take. So if it is minus, then it will be plus 12x. Minus 12x plus 12x cancelled out. Answer is nothing but 0. Answer is nothing but 0. These method number 2 also you can use. Or you can use these divisible by 13. These divisible by 13. Take the first and the last term. X power 4 minus 12x divided by 13 I am taking. X is nothing but 12 power 4. 12 power 4 minus 12 into 12 divided by 13. 12 when divided by 13 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is nothing but 1. These nothing but minus 1. These nothing but minus 1. These 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 it is nothing but 0. Answer should be perfectly divisible by 13. You take any method, answer will remain same. If you are good in reminders, take the first term and the last term reminders. If you are good in digital sum, go with the digital sum concept. If you are good in the last two terms, go with the last two terms concept. Which method is the best method? You will decide. With practice, you will decide which method to be used when. I hope the logic is clear. In case if you are enjoying these multiple ways of solving the complex problems, the right directions of solving, I am just giving a different sword words for you to attack the problem. You decide what works for you depending upon your practice. Kindly like the video in case if you are enjoying these multiple ways of solving. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one. Directly you can get it. Now see here, these are nothing but 9 into anything 9. 8 power 4 divided by 9. 8 when divided by 9 minus 1. Minus 1 power even is 1. Answer should give remainder 1 or minus 8. So these are not possible, these are not possible. Answer is minus 8. I hope the idea it is clear. 9 is divisible by 9, 9 is divisible by 9. X power 4 when divided by 9. These are nothing but, right, 1 is the remainder, 1 is the positive remainder, negative remainder is 1 minus 9 is minus 8. This is one way to solve the question. Method number 1. Method number 2, what you can do is x power 4 minus 9x cube plus 9x square minus 9x plus 0. Only take the last two terms. If it is minus 9x, do plus 8x. This is nothing but these, sorry. Now 1 minute, sir, 1 minute. These are nothing but x power 4, method number 1, right? Method number 1. These are nothing but x power 4 minus 9x cube plus 9x square minus 9x. These plus 0. Only take the last two terms, minus 9x. So add plus 8x. These are nothing but minus x. Answer is nothing but minus 8. I hope the idea it is clear. Answer is minus 8, right? I hope it is clear, right? Method number 1 we can do. Method number 2, digital sum. These are nothing but, these method 2 in fact, these method 3. 8 power 4 minus 9 into 8 cube plus 9 into 8 square minus 9 into 8. 9. 8 power 4 divided by 9. Right, 8 ones are, these nothing but 1, negative remainder is minus 8. You will get the answer in any possible way, right? Any possible method you will get the answer, right? Even if you use these higher order that approach, that also will give you x power 4 minus 9x cube plus 9x square minus 9x plus 9. These nothing but, answer is nothing but 1. So these nothing but 9 goes to the other side, it is minus 9. These nothing but minus 9 plus 1. Answer is minus 8. I hope it is clear. It is plus 9 and minus 1. These nothing but 1. 1 minus 9 is nothing but minus 8. If the degree of the equation is even and the degree is a complete equation and the coefficients are k plus 1, if the degree is even, I will get 1. If the degree is odd, I will get minus 1. I hope the idea it is clear. You can take any method of your choice. Next, 12 digital sum is 3. 3 power any natural number greater than 2, it is 9. These 9, these 9, these 9. 9 plus 9 plus 9. These also 12 is 3. 3 power 4 digital sum is 9. Plus 11 is 2. 9 cancel. Answer digital sum should be 2. Easily. Within 5 seconds you can solve the problem by using a digital sum in this approach. I hope the idea it is clear. Method number 1. Some problems digital sum will be the best method. Some problems method 2 will be the best method. These nothing but x power 4 minus 13x cube plus 13x square minus 12x plus 11. Concentrate on the last two terms. These minus, so it will be plus. So these nothing but plus 12x. Answer is nothing but 11. That is what we did it. Method number 2. Method number 3. These divisible by 13, divisible by 13. These 3 we will check the form of the number. These nothing but x power 4 minus 12x plus 11 when divided by 13. When divided by 13, x is nothing but 12. So 12 power 4 minus 12 into 12 plus 11. divided by 13. 12 ones are 13 ones are 13, minus 1. Minus 1 power even, it is nothing but 1. 12 by 13 minus 1. 12 by 13 minus 1 plus 11 divided by 13. Answer is nothing but 11. Any method you choose, you will get the answer. You choose any method, you will get the answer. I hope the idea, it is crystal clear to you. Idea, it is crystal clear to you. Next one, right? Like that you can solve any problems by using this approach. X is 24. 24 digital sum is 6. 6 power any natural number greater than 2. It is nothing but digital sum 9. These 25, it is 7. 24, it is 6. 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum is 9. 25, it is 7. 24, it is nothing but 6. It is nothing but 6. Plus 5 it is. These 9 9 out. 7 6 are 42. 42, 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 5, it is nothing but 11. 11 digital sum is nothing but 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. So answer is 29. Just by looking at the question itself, you will get the answer as 29 if you know how to use digital sum concept. 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum will be 9. 6 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2. Digital sum will be 9. This is one way to solve. Another way to solve. This is divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. Divisible by 5. X cube when I divide by 5. X is nothing but 24 cube. 24 cube when I divide by 5. 5 5s are 25 minus 1. Minus 1 cube is minus 1. So minus 1 is a positive remainder 4. Answer should be when divided by 5, it should give a remainder 4. Answer when divided by 5, it should give a remainder 4. 5 into 6. 5 into minus 6. These is nothing but 5 into 5 plus 4. That logic also you can use it. Idea, it is clear, right? So these also you can use it. Or if you want to use the last two terms logic, 25x, do minus 24x plus 4. 24x. 25x minus 24x, which is x. X plus 5, it is nothing but 29. You can use any method that comes into your mind, you will get the answer. I hope it is clear. Next one, see here. These divisible by 37, divisible by 37, divisible by 37. So first and last term, x power 5 plus 14 when divided by 36. X is nothing but, divided by 37. X is nothing but 36 power 5 plus 14 when divided by 37. 37 ones are 37 minus 1. So answer should give you, when divided by 37, it should give you remainder 13. It should give you remainder 13. 37 ones are 37, remainder 13. This is one way to solve looking at the coefficients. Method number 1. Method number 2. 36 digital sum is 9. So 9 power any natural number 9. Second also 9. Third also 9. Fourth also 9. Fifth also 9. 1 plus 4 digital sum is 5. Answer digital sum should be 5. Answer digital sum should be 5. So answer is 50. This is method number 2. Method number 3. Last two terms if I take 37x plus 14. If it is plus, do minus. This is nothing but x plus 14. 36 plus 14 is nothing but 50. You take any method, you will get the answer fast. Some people like reminders, they can use that concept. Some people knows the concept of digital sum. Some people take the last two terms. I hope the idea, it is crystal clear to you. Next one, right? 71, 71, 71. So take the first and the last values, right? When divided by 71, what will happen? These when divided by 71. These nothing but 72 power 4 plus 10 when divided by 71. 71 ones are 71. 1 plus 10, these is nothing but 11. Answer when divided by 71 should give remainder 11. So only first one. I hope it is clear. Directly by looking at the question itself, you got the answer. Method number 1. Method number 2. 72 digital sum is 9. First is 9. Second is 9. Third is 9. Fourth is 9. 9 into any number, it is also 9. 10 digital sum is 1. Answer digital sum should be 1. Only first option, that is A. Method number 2. Method number 3. Last two terms I have to take. Minus 71x plus 10. If it is minus, do plus 72x. This is nothing but x plus 10. 72 plus 10, which is nothing but 82. You take any method that comes into your mind, you will get the logic. I hope all the problems are clear to you. Now you are not fearing any more these problems. These 83, 83, 83. It is divisible by 83. Check what is the form of the remaining values. X power 4 minus 82x plus 27. Plus 27, these divided by these 83x, sir. 83x. These 83x. These 83x when divided by 84. Now see here, when divided by 83. When divided by 83. 80x is nothing but 84 power 4 minus 83 into, these is nothing but 84 plus 27 divided by 83. These is nothing but 1. These is nothing but, these 83. 83, these also divisible. So intermediate value also it is eliminated. These is nothing but 1. 27. So answer when divided by 83, it should give remainder 28. Option is C. These by using this logic. These 83. 83, 83, 83. Only first plus last. First plus last. These one way to do it. Another way to do it is 84 digital sum is 3. When you get digital sum 3, 6 or 9, it is very easy. These nothing but 3 power 4, it is 9. These also 9. These also 9. These also 3 square, it is nothing but 9. 83, 8 plus 3, 11. 11 is nothing but 2. 8, these 3 plus 27, it is 9. 9, 9, 9, 9, 9, minus 6. Minus 6 means answer digital sum should be 3. Answer digital sum should be 3. Answer digital sum should be 3. Now see here, all the options have got 3. Now here digital sum is same for all of the answers. So that is where we can use this logic. X power 4 plus 27 when divided by 83. Use this logic. Or last two terms logic. It is minus 83x plus 27 minus 83. So it will be plus 84x. These x plus 27. So these 84 plus 27, 111. One method fails, another method is there with you. That is exactly the reason why you should not stick to one method. Certain problems, one method will be little complex to solve, but the same method can be used to solve some of the problems very, very fast. This is a question where all the digital sum is matching. So here you can do like this. Next one. Just by looking at a question itself, I can get the answer. 207 digital sum is 9. So these nothing but 208, 1. 1 power 5 is 1. These nothing but 1 plus 7 is 8. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. Positive remainder should be 2. Positive remainder should be 2. These out, these 2. These minus 2. See here, this problem digital sum is giving me answer in seconds. Previous problem digital sum is giving me multiple answer options. I hope it is clear. Our last term logic. These nothing but minus 207x minus 197. If it is minus, do plus 208x. So x minus 197. So 208 minus 197. Answer is nothing but 11. Answer is nothing but 11. I hope it is very clear to you when to use which concept. When to use which concept. 12 digital sum is 3. So 3 power any natural number greater than or equivalent to 2, it is 9. So these also 9. These also 9. These also 3 into 3, 9. 11 digital sum is 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. Answer digital sum should be 2. Just by looking at the question itself, we got the answer by using a digital sum. Method number 1. Method number 2. Method number 2. See here, sir. If it is last two terms logic, minus 12x plus 11. If it is minus 12x, add plus 12x. Answer is 11. Both the cases you will get the same answer. Method number 3. Method number 3. These divisible by 13. These divisible by 13. These nothing but x power 4 minus 12x plus 11 divided by 13. So these nothing but x is 12. 12 power 4 minus 12 into 12 plus 11 divided by 13. 12 when divided by 13 minus 1. Minus 1 power 4 1. Minus 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1. These nothing but 11. So answer when divided by 13, it should give a remainder 11. Only one option is giving. All the methods you will get the same answer. I want my Anil Nair classes students to be different from others. Other people one shortcut. Here we will discuss the 100 feet down concept. Multiple ways to solve a problem. Which method to be used when? That is the reason many of the students buy my course, because they know the difference between actual teaching of aptitude and gimmicky level of aptitude. Now let us look at this question. There is an higher order equation that is given. F of x is x power 6 minus 25 x power 5 plus 49 x power 4 minus 73 x cube and so on up to 54. Find the value of f of 23. The best way to solve this question is by using digital sum concept. Digital sum concept. Listen carefully, sir. Digital sum concept. The given numerical value is 23. 23 digital sum value is 5. So let us go one by one. F of x is nothing but 23, substitute in terms of x, 5 power 6 minus 25 into 5 power 5 plus 49 into 5 power 4 minus 73 into 5 power 3 plus 87 into 5 square. Next it is plus 113 into 5 plus 54. Now one by one we will see. 5 cube is nothing but 125. 125 digital sum is 8. 8 by 9 is nothing but minus 1, which is nothing but minus 1. So it is 8. 5 power 6 is 5 cube whole square. 8 square 64. Digital sum is 1. 5 power 6 is 1. So it is 1 minus 25 digital sum is 7. 5 power 5 is 5 cube into 5 square. 5 power 5 is 5 cube into 5 square. This is nothing but 5 cube, it is 8. 5 square is 25. 2 plus 5 7. 8 7s are 56. 5 plus 6 11. 1 plus 1 2. This is nothing but 2. 49 digital sum is 4. 5 power 4 is 625. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 5 13. 1 plus 3 4. Minus 73 digital sum is 1. 5 cube digital sum is 8. 87 it is 8 plus 7 15. 1 plus 5 6. 5 square is 25 7. Plus 113 it is nothing but 5. 5 5s are 25. 5 plus 4 it is nothing but 9. So these are nothing but 1 minus 7 2s are 14. 14 digital sum is 5. These are nothing but 4 4s are 16. These minus 8. Next it is nothing but 42 plus 7 plus 9. 9 can be deleted, right? Next it is nothing but 42 plus 7, 49, 49, 49 plus 16, 65, 65 plus 1, 66, which is nothing but 53. 53, it is nothing but 8. Answer digital sum should be 8. Answer digital sum should be 8. I hope the idea is clear. You don't need to decompose everything. Find out the digital sum of the question. It should match with the digital sum in the answer. It should match with the digital sum in the answer. Now listen carefully, sir. One concept of complete equation. Concept of complete equation. Listen carefully to this one. Suppose there is an equation f of x is nothing but x power 4 minus 12x cube plus 12x square minus 12x plus 12 when x is nothing but 11. When x is nothing but 11. Right? Now let me solve one more. F of x is nothing but x power 5 minus 7x power 4 plus 7x cube minus 7x square plus 7x minus 7 when x is nothing but 7. When x is nothing but 6, we will see. These two examples we will solve it one by one, then we will conclude some important key points. Listen carefully, sir. What do you mean by a complete equation? All the powers of x are decreasing by 1. Powers of x are decreasing by 1. X power 4, x cube, x square, x, right? And the coefficient is k plus 1. Coefficient is k plus 1. This is given as 11, the coefficient it is nothing but 12 other than the highest power. Coefficient is 7 where the x is nothing but 6. And alt plus minus plus minus plus, it is in a sequential order. These equations are called complete equations. The first case is when the degree it is even. Second case is when the degree it is odd. Degree even and degree odd. Why these two cases? We will see it. These 12 can be written as 11 plus 1. So x power 4 minus of x plus 1 into x cube. 12 is nothing but x plus 1 into x square. Right? Again 12 is x plus 1 into x plus 12. Am I right? Can I write like this? X power 4 minus x power 4 cancel. Minus x cube plus x cube. Plus x square minus x square. So what is remaining? Remaining is nothing but minus x square cancel, which is nothing but minus x plus 12. 12 minus 11, it is nothing but 1. 12 minus 11, it is nothing but 1. Similarly, here it is x power 4. 7 can be written as x plus 1 into x power 4. 7 again can be written as x plus 1 into x cube. Again 7 can be written as x plus 1 into x square. Again 7 can be written as x plus 1 into x minus 7. X power 5 minus x power 5. Everything will get cancelled. These x square minus x square. So it is nothing but x minus 7. 6 minus 7, it is nothing but minus 1. Remember this point very, very importantly. If the degree it is odd, 5 it is odd. I am getting the final answer as minus 1. For a complete equation. What do you mean by a complete equation? Right, complete equation is when the coefficients other than the higher degree are taking k plus 1 when the x value it is k, and the sign changes is happening in a synchronizing order. I hope it is clear. If the degree it is even, I will get the answer 1. If the degree it is odd, I will get the answer minus 1. Extremely important key point. Now see here. First question. Degree it is 5. 5 is nothing but odd. Degree it is nothing but 5. It is nothing but odd. If it is odd, what will be the answer directly? It is nothing but minus 1. It is a complete equation. Why? Because, right, degree is 5 and the degrees are decreasing by 1 and sign changes are happening synchronized. in a synchronizing way. Minus 12x square plus 12x minus 12. It is nothing but minus 1. You want to check it out with the previous method? Take the last two values, which is 12x minus 12. If it is 12x, if it is plus, do minus 11x, which is x minus 12. 11 minus 12 is nothing but minus 1. 11 minus 12 is nothing but minus 1. You don't need to take last two terms. Directly, if the degree it is odd and it is a complete equation, I will get minus 1. Similarly, degree it is odd. Degree it is odd. Is it a complete equation? 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And all the coefficients are k plus 1. So answer is nothing but directly, it is nothing but minus 1. It is nothing but minus 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Now the degree it is nothing but 4. Degree it is even. If the degree it is even and degree is decreasing by 1 and the coefficient it is k plus 1, so the answer is nothing but 1. So the answer is nothing but 1. Directly you will get the answer. Directly you will get the answer. Now see here. X power 4 minus 25x cube plus 25x square minus 25x plus 35. We know that if it is 25, I will get the answer at as 1. Plus 25, I will get the answer as 1. That means how much I need to decrease to get 25? Minus 10. Minus 10 is to the left hand side. So the right hand side it will be 1 plus 10. Answer is nothing but 11. Answer is nothing but 11. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Right? I require 25. So 35 should be decreased by 10. Decreasing on the left hand side becomes the increasing on the right hand side. Or if you can go by the method which I taught, last two terms is nothing but minus 25x plus 35. If it is minus, do 24x plus 35. This is minus x plus 35 minus 24 plus 35. Answer is nothing but 11. Answer is nothing but 11. I hope the idea it is clear. Next one, x power 5 minus 17x power 4 plus 17x cube minus 17x square plus 19x plus 20. 19x plus 20. Degree it is 5. If it is a complete equation, degree is odd, the right hand side value is minus 1. If it is minus 17x square, it should be plus 17x. That means 2x should be decreased. If it is minus 17x square plus 17x, 17. So these nothing but, I hope it is clear, right? Minus 2x. Minus 2x to the left hand side, it will be plus 2x. So this will be 17. 17 means 3 should be decreased. So it will be 2 minus 1 plus 2x plus 3. Answer is nothing but 2x plus 2. Answer is nothing but 2x plus 2. So it is 2 into 16 plus 2, which is nothing but 34. Which is nothing but 34. I hope the idea it is clear, right? Right? All should be in 17, sir. 17, 17, 17, 17, 17. So minus, so it should be minus 2x. It is plus 17. So it should be minus 3. Comes this side plus 3. Comes right hand side, it is plus 2x. Idea it is clear, right? Next one, see here. Minus degree it is odd. So it will be minus 1. Definitely minus 1 to be there on the right hand side. It is 15. So it should be minus 15. So it should be plus x square. Am I right? Plus x square on left hand side. It will be minus x square on right hand side. This will be plus 15. That means it will be minus 2x. Minus 2x in left hand side. It will be plus 2x in right hand side. This will be 15 minus 5 in left hand side, it will be plus 5 in right hand side. So answer is nothing but minus x square plus 2x plus 4 minus x square plus 2x plus 4. I hope it is clear. Complete equation. All should be in 15 coefficient. If it is 15, I need to add x square. I need to subtract 2x. I need to subtract 5. Right hand side plus will become minus. Minus 2x will become plus 2x. It will be plus 5. Idea it is clear. Next one. These are all easy questions if you understand the complete equation. Next one. X power 4 minus 15x cube plus 15x square minus 15x. So minus 15x. These are nothing but degree it is 1. For even it will be 15. Here it is nothing but 15 is missing. So 15. 1 minus 15 is nothing but minus 14. Answer is nothing but minus 14. I hope it is clear, right? Or otherwise, if this is there, x power 4 minus 15x cube plus 15x square minus 15x plus 15, it is nothing but 1. Till here I require 1 minus 15 is nothing but minus 14. Again it is nothing but x power 5. So answer is nothing but minus 1 in right hand side. 17. 17 means it should be plus x square. So right hand side will be minus x square. It will be minus 3x. So it should be plus 3x. It should be minus 1. So it should be plus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 cancel. So it is nothing but minus x square plus 3x. Answer is minus x square plus 3x minus 16 square plus 3 into 16. Idea it is clear, right? Next one. It's very easy if you understand it. If you understand it, it is very easy. Or if you want to go by the generic method, x power 5 minus 17 x power 4 plus 17 x cube minus 17 x square plus 17x minus 17. It is nothing but minus 1. It is nothing but minus 1. So here it is nothing but to this value minus x square I am adding, and here plus 3x I am adding. Am I right? Plus 3x I am adding. Plus 3x I am adding, and it is nothing but plus 1 I am adding. I hope it is clear. Right? Minus x square I am adding, x square I am adding, 3x I am adding, 1 I am adding. This is what I did it. This is nothing but minus 1. So to minus 1 I am adding x square plus 3x plus 1. Idea it is clear. Next one. X power 4 minus 11x power 4. That means minus x cube needs to be done. Here it is 11x. Plus 11x needs to be done. Here it is 11. So it is plus 9 needs to be done. Degree it is odd. So answer is minus 1. Minus x cube to the right hand side plus x cube. Plus x to the right hand side minus x. It is minus 9. So answer is nothing but x cube minus x minus 10. So this is nothing but 10 cube minus 10 minus 10. Idea it is clear, right? Easy questions once you understand the idea. This is 21x cube. That means 2x square is missing. Here it is minus x is missing. Here it is 9 is missing. So these degree power 1 4, it is even 1. 2x square to the right hand side minus 2x square. It is plus x and it is plus 9. So answer is nothing but minus 2x square plus x plus 10. So minus 2 into 20 square plus 20 plus 10. Idea it is clear. Next one. These what is missing we will see. 21, 21, 21, 21. These nothing but plus 21 is missing. Degree it is 8, which is even. 1 minus 21. Answer is nothing but minus 20. Answer is nothing but minus 20. I hope it is clear, right? So what will be the last term, last two terms logic? Minus 21x plus 0, add 20x. This is nothing but minus x, which is minus 20. Easily you will get the answer. This is x cube minus 18x square plus 19x plus 20. It is 18, that means x should be decreased. This is plus 18. This is nothing but, this 18 and it is 18, it should be 18. 18 and it is plus minus minus 18, that means it is minus 38. Degree it is odd, so it is minus 1. So answer is minus 1 plus x plus 38. X plus 37. So 17 plus 37. Answer is nothing but 54. But here, if I go by the last two terms, check it out whether you are getting the same answer. 19x plus 20. Subtract 17x. It is 2x plus 20. 34 plus 20, 54. I hope it is clear. Plus minus it should be. Next one, plus minus. So this will be minus 3x. This is minus 18. This is nothing but plus 8. I hope it is clear. So because the degree it is even. Degree it is even. Answer is nothing but 1. 1 plus 3x minus 8. 1 plus 3x minus 8. So it is 3x minus 7. 3 into 17 minus 7. 51 minus 7, which is 44. Which is nothing but 44. Let us see by using the last two terms. Minus 15x plus 10. Minus means this is nothing but plus 17x. Which is 2x plus 10. Which is 2 into 17 plus 10. 34 plus 10. Answer is nothing but 40. 23 it is odd. Odd power any number odd. 25 it is odd. Odd into any number it is nothing but odd. 49 it is odd. Odd into any number it is odd. 87 is odd. Odd into any number it is odd. 113 it is odd. Odd into any number it is odd. 54 it is an even number. Odd plus odd it is even. Odd plus odd it is even. Plus even. Odd minus even. Odd minus even. It is nothing but an odd number. It is nothing but an odd number. So 10 and 8 can directly be eliminated based upon the number tree concept. Based upon the number tree concept, then afterwards apply digital sum. Then afterwards apply digital sum. I hope the idea it is clear. A lot of answers you can eliminate it by using this one. X is 12. 12 is an even number. Even. And it is also even. 11 is nothing but odd. Even, it is nothing but even. Even plus odd, the value is nothing but an odd number. So wherever the even values are there, you can eliminate it. I hope it is clear. Just by looking at the question itself, you can tell which answers are incorrect also. Here it is 208 is even. Even. 197 is odd. Even minus odd. Even minus odd is nothing but an odd number. By looking at the question itself, 6 and 8 can be eliminated. I hope you are all there with me, right? These nothing but, now see here, these nothing but even plus odd. Even plus odd, it is odd. All are odd numbers. Now if you see, 84 is divisible by 4. Am I right? 4 into 21. All are divisible by 4. All are. 27 is 4 into 6 plus 3. So answer when divided by 4, it should give remainder 3. Answer when divided by 4, it should give remainder 3. 57 is 4 into 14 plus 1. These 111, it is 4 into 2, 8, 31. These could be a possibility. These is not a possibility. These -1, this could be a possibility. Just by looking at a question based upon pure understanding of number tree, you can eliminate some answer options. You can eliminate some answer options. Right? Now see here. Here also you can eliminate some answer options. 72 it is all are even number. 72 it is nothing but divisible by 3. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. 10 when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 1. I hope you are all there with me. So these is nothing but 82. 82 is 3 into 27 plus 1. Just by looking at a question itself, you are able to answer the question very, very fast if you know the logic. 36 is divisible by 3. All are divisible by 3. 14 is 3 into 4 plus 2. All are divisible by 3. Answer when divided by 3, it should give a remainder 2. It should give a remainder 2. These nothing but this and this. These two can be eliminated just by using this logic. Just by using this logic you can do. Or 36 is also divisible by 9. 9 into 4. All are divisible by 9. 14 is 9 into 1 plus 5. 9x plus 5. 9x plus 5. 50 it is the answer. You don't need to know the other methods if you are sharp enough. Now see here, sir. 24, 24. 24 is divisible by 24 is divisible by 8 into 3. All are divisible by 8. Answer when divided by 8, it gives a remainder 5. It gives a remainder 5. 30, it is not possible. Minus 30, it is 8 4s are 32. It is not possible. 8, these not possible. 8 into 3 plus 5. That also can be done very, very fast. Now see here. These nothing but 12. 12 it is nothing but 4 into 3. Answer should be divisible by 4 and 3. All are divisible by 4. 11 is 4 into 2 plus 3. Answer when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 3. Answer when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 3. Remainder 3. These are not possible. These are not possible. These two cases. Now see here. Now 12. 12 is nothing but 12, 12, 12. So from here, two options can be eliminated by using the logic. You are stuck with two options. I hope it is clear. Here also. These divisible by 8, divisible by 8, divisible by 8. Answer should be divisible by 8. 6 and 5 are eliminated. Without doing itself, you are able to eliminate two options. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. These nothing but divisible by 12, divisible by 12, divisible by 12. Answer should be divisible by 12. Answer should be divisible by 12. Option 1, it is eliminated. Right? Elimination approach will eliminate all the incorrect answer options. Now see here. Here also. Listen carefully. These divisible by 106. All are divisible by 106. Answer when divided by 106, it should give a remainder 25. Directly the answer is 131. I hope the idea it is clear. Just by looking at the question itself, you are able to eliminate a lot of answer options. X is nothing but 11. All are divisible by 11. All contains x. Answer is 11 into something minus 1. 11 into something minus 1. Out, out, out. Option is nothing but C. Idea it is clear, right? Just keen observation, you are getting the answer. These are divisible by 16. All are divisible by 16. 17 when divided by 16, remainder 1. 16a plus 1. Not possible, not possible, not possible. Possible answer it is nothing but 1. I hope it is clear.